How to earn money? How to earn money on mobile phone as beginner? There are many ways to earn money on your mobile phone as a beginner. These are take survey. There are many apps and websites that will pay you to take survey. This is a great way to earn some extra cash in your spare time. Some popular survey apps: Swagbucks and Inbox Dollar. Sell your old stuff. If you have any old cloth, electronics, and other items lying around that do not need anymore, you can sell them online. There are many websites and apps that make it easy to sell your unwanted items, such as eBay, Facebook Marketplace. Become a freelancer writer and editor. If you have a good writing and editing skill, you can offer your service online. There is a many website and platform that connect freelancer with clients such as Upwork, Fiverr, and freelancer.com. Another method of earn money: teach English online. If you have a native English speaker, you can teach English online to students in their countries. There are many companies that hire online English teachers such as VIP Kid, iTutor Group, and GoGo Kid. Drive for ride sharing service. If you have a car, you can drive for a ride sharing service like Uber, Ola. This is a great way to earn extra money. Online schedule. Deliver food and groceries. If you have a bike or car, you can deliver food or groceries for companies like DoorDash, Garb Hub. This is a great way to earn extra money in spare time. Test website and apps. There are companies that will pay you to test website and app for usability. This is a great way to earn some extra cash and help improve the quality of online products and services. Some people use testing website including user testing and respondent. Get paid to watch video. There are the apps that will pay you to watch videos. This is a great way to earn some extra cash while you are relaxing and commuting. Some popular apps like Swagbucks get paid to play games. There are many apps that will pay you to play a games. This is a great way to earn some extra cash while you having fun. Some popular app including Swagbucks Live, Mist Play, and Big Time. There are just few of the many way to earn money on your mobile phone as a beginner. With a little effort, you can easily find few options that fit your skill and interest. No, I ask a question. As I ask a question to Google Bard, how to become millionaire in one night by online works. Becoming millionaire in one night through online work is extremely unlike. Oh my God. While there have been rare instances of people making significant sum of money quickly through online venture, if you are looking to make money online, it's important to realistic expectation and prepare out to the work.